Join me as I challenge myself to master 15 amazing tech hacks that I wish I knew sooner. Tech hacks are essentially shortcuts to help us save time, enhance productivity, and simplify our daily tech experiences. By incorporating these hacks into our routines, we can become more efficient, more organized, and more confident in our ability to navigate the digital world. We've all been there, frustrated with slow devices, complicated settings, and hidden features that seem impossible to find. You're trying to get work done, but your laptop is taking forever to load, or you're struggling to figure out how to organize your computer files. Maybe you're tired of dealing with pesky pop-ups or annoying notifications that won't go away. Or perhaps you're simply overwhelmed by the sheer number of features on your smartphone, and you have no idea how to use them to your advantage. We're constantly searching for ways to make our lives easier, and that's where tech hacks come in. From simple keyboard shortcuts to game-changing features on popular apps, these hacks have the power to transform the way we interact with technology. And today, I'm excited to share 15 of my favorite tech hacks that will take your productivity to the next level. Let's dive in and explore these amazing hacks. From using the Windows key +D to instantly declutter your desktop, to utilizing the Tab+ keyboard shortcut to quickly switch between open tabs. Each of these hacks is designed to simplify your workflow, save you time, and make your life easier. We'll cover hacks for organization, productivity, and even online security, so be sure to stick around until the end. But before we get to the recap, I want to highlight one particularly mind-blowing hack that offers a significant improvement or an unexpected benefit. Are you ready to have your mind blown? This hack is going to change the way you work, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It's a feature on Google Chrome that allows you to instantly capture and annotate screenshots, making it easier than ever to communicate with your team, create tutorials, or simply explain something to a friend. This hack is a total game changer, and I'm not surprised that most people don't know about it. But that's why we're here, to learn, to grow, and to master these amazing tech hacks. Let's take a quick look at another hack that's going to blow your mind. This one involves using a simple keyboard shortcut to quickly create a new folder on your computer. It's so easy, yet so powerful. And finally, let's talk about another hack that's going to make your life so much easier. This one involves using a popular app to schedule social media posts in advance, saving you time and energy while also helping you stay consistent across all your platforms. These are just a few of the mind-blowing hacks we're covering today, and I know you're going to love them. To recap, we've covered 15 amazing tech hacks that are designed to simplify your workflow, save you time, and make your life easier. From keyboard shortcuts to game-changing features on popular apps, these hacks have the power to transform the way you interact with technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite hack or share your own tech tips. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this.